Hello everyone and welcome to another DIY workshop tutorial. In this 3-part tutorial we will show you how you can replace the upper electric motor from the radiator shutters on the Audi A4 B9. I split this tutorial into 3 parts because it involves 3 main steps and I wanted each part to be as detailed as possible so that you don't break any plastic clips or trims. Part number 1 is removing the front bumper and one of the headlights. Part 2 is removing the shutter grille and replacing the motor. And part 3 is calibrating the active grille shutters. Check the description of each video for the links to the other 2 parts. Okay guys, let's get to work. First step is to suspend the front part of the car for better access to the clips and bolts that you will have to remove. We then remove these 4 T20 screws. Pull out this plastic clip so you can remove the latch that opens the hood. We then removed 4 screws holding the splash guard on the left side. Behind the splash guard you will find this plastic clip holding the bumper. To remove it we recommend using a plastic trim removal tool. Arm yourself with patience because this thing is not going out without a fight. Then you will have to remove a T30 bolt located all the way over there. Same thing for the other side. Go under the car and remove these 4 T20 screws. Then unclip the bumper from here and here. Use some soapy water so that the bumper comes out easier. Remove the connector for the parking sensors and you are done removing the front bumper. To get to the shutter grille we also had to place aside this foam impact absorber. To do that we just disconnected the sensor as illustrated. Next, take out the following T30 screws illustrated in the video. There are 2 more T30 long bolts on the sides. Remove the two following connectors. Unclip the latch system. Time to remove one of the headlights. Take out the upper T30 adjusting bolt. Then the lower one. This other connector from the impact absorber was in the way, so we took that one out as well. There is a third T30 bolt located behind the headlight. You can't take out the headlight before removing this bumper mount. It's held by two 10mm bolts. All you have to do now is take out the connector and a hose from the back of the headlight, and it will then come out. The same thing applies for the left side headlight. And this is the end of part 1. If you need to remove and replace the shutter grille motor, check out parts 2 and 3 of this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best, and remember, the DIY workshop saves money. Bye bye!